Each day, regardless of inclement weather, city and county maintenance crews are hard at work. Our communities depend on them to maintain infrastructure, make repairs, and keep our communities clean and functional. Whether they are doing inspections or responding to a call, it is important for them to keep a detailed log of their activity. The integrity of any department depends on accurately tracking activity. This not only helps with reporting, but that data can also be referenced when estimating time and resources needed for a specific type of task. With Laserfiche Forms, we provide an out-of-the-box solution designed specifically for maintenance crews to log their daily report. This form is web-based, which means it can be accessed by a crew member from his or her smartphone or tablet while on the go. The form will have them fill out some basic information like crew number, date, and weather. The rest of the form's questions are yes or no, and default to no. This way, the crew member does not have to take the time to fill out any information that may not be relevant to their day. However, if their day did include something like a job site inspection, they can answer yes, and the form will open a box for them to enter a brief description. There's even an option at the bottom for the user to attach a file. This could be photos from the job site or contracts. Once the form is submitted, it will be routed to a supervisor or office manager for review. If the form is submitted by a supervisor, it will be routed directly to Laserfiche for storage. If it is not submitted by a manager, then it will be routed to an office manager for review. The front office manager, or AFOM, can review the reports and determine whether it should be approved, or they may realize that it needs more information. We're going to approve this one. Once approved, the form will be stored in Laserfiche, and metadata will be added automatically. We can see that the metadata will track information like the crew number, the date submitted, and who it was that submitted the form. Reports can be tedious and time-consuming, but with this Laserfiche solution, the task can be handled quickly and without sacrificing detail. If your city or county found this solution helpful, contact our team at the link below to learn how CDI can help you deploy the solution. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to working with you.